Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, all you got to do is just make sure that Rocket League is installed under your Epic Games launcher. For this example, I'm just going to be using Among Us because I don't have Rocket League right here and it's pretty big. So again, make sure that it is installed under your Epic Games launcher, and then go ahead and open up Steam if you have the Steam application. Then you're going to want to scroll all the way down, or at the bottom left right here, you have Add a Game button. So you might want to add in a game right here under Steam so that you will have full controller configuration support for a game. Just click on Add a Game, add a non-Steam game, and then here just find Rocket League. Okay, just go ahead and click on Browse if you can't find it right here. All right, click on Browse. Then the directory would be local disk C, program files, Epic Games, and locate Rocket League. Okay, find the exe or application, open, and then add selected programs. Now you'll be able to see it under uncategorized. Click on the plus sign, and here we have it. So just click on play from here, organize it however you want, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to get Rocket League on Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.